Hello, this is PSTACOM, and this is my presentation on assistive technology and Tarzamin Per. So first, we should consider what is assistive technology. Assistive technology is a tool, device, item, equipment, or system that increases, maintains, or improves the functional capabilities of a child with a disability. There are three levels of assistive technology: low-tech, mid-tech, and high-tech items. Low-tech items or devices are readily available, inexpensive, and require no batteries or electrical input. Therefore, they are less complex and less versatile, but they are much easier to use. Some examples may include specialized pencil grips, highlighters, large print and space, raised line paper, and a variety of others. What separates mid-tech from low-tech is that it's usually digital and may require batteries or power inputs, such as a calculator, audiobook, recorder, manual wheelchair, timer, or specialized chairs. High-tech devices are often computer-based, have sophisticated features, and are tailored to the specific needs of the individual student. This may mean that they're more expensive and complex and versatile. They can be difficult to use, therefore requiring training provided by related service providers and AT specialists. Some examples may include a tablet, AAC device, screen reader text-to-speech, voice recognition dictation STT, speech-to-text. As I previously mentioned, related service providers need to provide training to their students because, one, it's required by law, and two, the student needs training so that they can effectively use the new technology. As related service providers provide training to students, they need to evaluate the student's need for AT, acquire the necessary equipment, and modify and adapt curriculum and the AT to the student's individual needs. Related service providers include occupational therapists, physical therapists, speech and language pathologists, and assistive technology specialists. When considering assistive technology, academic areas including reading, writing, and mathematics should be considered, as well as functional living skills if necessary. Assistive technologies for students with a disability, like learning disabilities, intellectual disabilities, autism, other health impairment, or ADHD. It is not a cheat or an unfair advantage. This is an equity versus equality issue. When considering assistive technology, one should think of the student's current level of functioning, present level of performance, strengths and areas of need, previously implemented assistive technology, the current used tech, and the environment they use it in. But assistive technology is a separate and ongoing process that is constantly monitored and evaluated compared to an annual review PPT and the whole program of the student's education. What is instructional technology? It is tech, tools, and strategies that enhance learning and teaching, including hardware, software, and methods to deliver instruction. For example, digital and multimedia tools such as smartboards, projectors, videos, and whiteboards. It could also include online learning platforms on a computer such as IXL, MobiMath, Google Classroom, or Blackboard. Recently, there have been many developments in AI and intelligent tutoring systems. My school district is currently trialing Magic School. In the past, I've also used interactive gamified learning through websites such as Gimkit, Blookit, or Kahoot. Instructional technology are ways to deliver instruction. So what's the difference? Instructional technology benefits all learners by helping with the teaching process. It's in all classrooms and applies to all students. It's a way for teachers to differentiate instruction for various learning styles. It is accessible, engaging, and flexible for students. Assistive technology is related to accessibility and accommodations for students with a disability, generally on an IEP plan, but possibly on a 504 plan. These are targeted and specialized approaches with ongoing support and training. They remove the barriers to learning for students with disabilities. Some similarities include access to a computer in both settings, text-to-speech reading, speech-to-text dictation, and live captioning. In the film Tar Zameen Par, I noticed a few various examples of assistive technology in Ishan's education as well as his classmates. When working with Ramnicom, he often utilized clay letters and large print font. He also used a whiteboard with paint and an easel or various art-related materials that Ishan really connected with. He also used manipulatives to help Ishan with math. Other times he used a simple sandbox to draw and illustrate things so Ishan could see them visually. Ishan often wrote using a slant board that helped support his writing. And lastly, Rejan, Ishan's close friend at the boarding school, used crutches, another example of mid-tech assistive technology. In TZP, the teachers didn't really do a great job of accounting for student learning styles. Ishan proved to be a physical or tactile learner, benefiting from hands-on activities and movement. He seemed to be a solitary, independent student, but definitely benefited from social collaboration and working with a peer. Visuals also greatly benefited Ishan. Here's levels of AT. For recommendations for assistive technology and accommodations for Ishan, I would consider access to a device such as a computer, iPad, or laptop, which is a high-level assistive technology device. I think he could also benefit from high-level assistive technology extensions such as Read and Write, which provides text-to-speech voiceover and speech-to-text dictation. It allows materials to be digitally accessible, almost like an audiobook. I would also recommend Ishan to continue to use audiobooks in the future. In the middle, I have a predictive typing keyboard. I think this would greatly benefit Ishan, and it's another high-level assistive technology. Another accommodation assistive technology would be accessible or preferential seating, like this ball chair that would allow for some movement and balance that wouldn't really disturb other students. And for low-tech assistive technology devices, I would recommend teachers use hands-on math manipulatives for Ishan to build his understanding of concepts.